Yo, what's up guys? This is Jared of Tech Tambayan at welcome po sa pagtambay nyo dito sa channel ko. And for today's video, meron tayo ngayong bagong pag-uusapan. Ito yung bagong release ngayon ni Oppo, which is the Oppo Reno 11F 5G. Ang tanong ng bayan, sulit nga ba ang phone na to? Let's find out. Disclaimer lang muna, the product showcase in this content was not provided by the brand. All opinions and statements expressed here are solely based on my personal experience and are not influenced by any form of compensation or sponsorship from the brand. Back to the video. Si Oppo Reno 11F 5G is gumamit siya ng Panda Glass and meron siyang IP rating na IP65, water and dust resistant. Meron din tong premium look, glowing effects, and meron tong available colors na tatlo, which is the palm green, coral purple, and yung ocean blue. Punta naman tayo sa display. At the front of this phone feature, meron tong 6.7-inch OLED panel with 120Hz of screen refresh rate. Meron din tong 240Hz touch sampling rate na okay lang. HDR support din to, and meron tong wideband level 1 certification, kaya goods to kapag nanonood tayo ng mga YouTube videos and Netflix movies. So going to the performance, kanina antay natin. Meron tong 2.6 GHz, 6nm Dimensity 7050 octa-core chip with Mali G68 MC4 GPU. Meron din tong 8GB of RAM plus 8GB of RAM expansion or the virtual RAM, plus meron din tong 256GB of internal storage. And sinubukan namin to sa dalawang game, Call of Duty Mobile and Mobile Legends. Ito yung naging graphical settings niya pagdating sa Mobile Legends at ito naman sa Call of Duty Mobile. As we can see, medyo magsasacrifice lang yung kanyang frame rate kapag tinaasan natin yung kanyang graphics. And tinry natin maglaro ng multiple games dito sa multiplayer battle sa Call of Duty Mobile at ito yung game performance na nakuha natin. So, okay na humusga. Pero para sa akin, goods naman. Okay. At dito naman sa Mobile Legends, ito yung naging gaming performance. So as you can see, smooth naman, okay na okay, maganda siya sa Mobile Legends, maganda yung graphics, so goods to.
After 1 hour of continuous playing, ito yung thermals na nakuha natin.
Let's talk about the cameras. Oppo Reno 11F 5G has triple camera setup. It is equipped with 64MP OmniVision sensor for its main camera. Meron din tong 8MP for ultra-wide angle lens. Plus, meron din tong macro lens na 2MP. Meron siyang 1.7 aperture for the main camera.
Ito yung sample photos na nakuha natin during low light, and as you can see, very detailed and sharp ang naproduce na image using its night mode feature. Ito naman yung sample images na nakuha natin during daylight, and as we can see, very detailed and natural yung nakuha nating images using its rear camera. Tinry ko rin gamitin yung stabilization feature nito, which is 1080p by 60fps, and ito yung nakuha kong footage sa rear. Ito naman sa front.
For the software, the phones run with Android 14, ColorOS UI pa rin. Masasabi ko na ang ganda ng user interface. Very friendly user siya at mas madali siyang gamitin. Let's talk about the battery. Battery of this phone is 5000 mAh of battery with 67 watts of charging, which allows the user to fully charge their phone for just 48 minutes as it's advertised. But sadly, wala po siyang wireless charging capabilities. Let's talk about the connectivity of this phone. Meron tong 5G network, dual SIM, meron siyang hybrid slot. Pwede mong lagyan ng dalawang SIM or isang memory card yung phone natin. And then yung card slot niya for memory card, expandable up to 1TB of storage. Meron siyang Wi-Fi 6 and then Bluetooth 5.2 version. And support din niya yung NFC. And for my final thoughts for this phone, ang isa sa nagustuhan ko dito is yung AI night camera niya. Ganda na nakuha nating picture. And then, ang gusto ko rin dito, isa pa, maliit yung bezels niya. So, mas malaki yung viewing experience natin. Also, kapag naglalaro tayo. And if you ask me who the phone is best suited, masasabi ko na pwedeng-pwede na siya for the casual gamers. And kung mahilig ka sa photography, Okay na okay din yung camera niya. Mabilis naman siya mag-charge and matagal pong malubat yung battery niya. Kung nakagamit ka na ng Oppo devices and na-try mo na yung Color OS, masasabi ko na goods na yung phone na to. At kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, at click mo na rin yung notification bell as well. Once again, this is Jared of Tech Tambayan. Thank you so much for watching. Natapos din.